Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. First I'm making the leaves. So I'm using this veining board for that one, and here is my fondant. I'm using some CMC powder. You can use stylus powder. I'm not using any sugar paste, using fondant, so that's why I'm using this stylus powder to make them little bit hard. Otherwise the fondant is too soft, so it's very hard to make them and it won't dry fast. So here is my fondant, it is ready. I take a little bit from here and start rolling them. So here is the board I'm using, and I'm making the fondant like a sausage shape. Using rolling pin. So here is the fondant. Keep it aside and make it like this. So from here, let me show you one first. I need 6 of them. So here I don't have this long type leaf cutter, so I'm using this craft knife and make the leaves like this. It's very easy. So I remove excess fondant from here. Use floral wire, and I'm using the glue, edible glue. So I dip it inside and remove excess from here. Take the leaf and push it inside. Still my fondant is soft because it's raining here. And push it inside, so it's like this. So I take my foam pad, place it here. So I want to work the back of the leaf and take my favorite ball tool and make the edges thin. So I'm using like this. Very easy and it's nice. I'm using that veiner for leaf, but because this veiner is not big enough for this one, so I want to use like this here first and then on this side. It's done. So if you want, you can do it again, that this one. So I keep it here. To try. Okay, let's make the rest of the leaves. Now I'm making the petals for the flower. So I'm again rolling my fondant here because I have to use the wire, that's why I'm using this board. You can make it without this board. First I am using this smallest one. I need 3 of them. So let me cut from here. And then this size I need 3. In this size I need 4. Let me check how many I can cut from here. I think I can cut 3 of this size. Remove excess fondant from here and then use the wire. I'm using this wire for this one. So I'm using this wire and dip it in the glue, remove excess, and then take one of this and push the wire inside. I think this one is a little bit big, that wire, but it's okay. Now I'm using this ball tool to make them thin here. This one, the smallest one. We finished the leaves here. I didn't show you. Here all my leaves. So let them dry. Now I'm using this one to place them. Place them all. First the smallest one. Now I'm cutting this size. Starting from here. I need 5 of them. And remove excess ones. Show you one last time that you remove your excess glue and then push it inside all the way through halfway. Now I'm using, this one is big, so I have to use this one. So, yeah, like this. We keep it aside to dry. So I keep them aside to dry, then I will show you how I'm making this flower. They are all dry, so I take them. Now I'm going to make the flower. So the petals are all dry. Let me show you the leaves. The leaves were, and covered them with a floral tape. Covered them all. Then just like this. Now I take some white stamens and dip them here. Remove excess. Take a floral wire and this is in the middle. And twist it. Now take the floral tape, small piece, and then start from here. Cover it. Okay, it's done. Now I take the petals and bend a little bit like this. So we start from the smallest one. So smallest one I have 3. Yes. Take the floral tape. Stretch like this. Take this one and then start. If I want, I can put like this. And then the second one. So a beautiful flower. And then the third one. So here is my 3 of them. Cover it. So place them perfect like this. It's really beautiful. Okay, now the second one I have this size. That one also 3. So I take the tape. I'm making this flower for my client. She will use this one for a birthday cake. So I'm starting from here. Then start. Second one. This. Now the third layer I am using 4 of them. So I'm starting from here. I want to bend them a little bit more. Okay, now start from here. This type flowers also perfect for wedding cake. And then the last layer I am using 5 of them. Here 5. So cover them all. Here is the flower. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.